Okay, this is a room tour of room 402, and we are at the Residence Inn Wailea, and this was really awesome because we got upgraded to a 2-bedroom suite, which is just always such a gift when you're traveling with somebody else. So you walk in and there's this awesome kitchenette, dishwasher. This one has an oven and stove, fridge, so you really could stay here, go to the grocery store, and cook every meal in your hotel room if you wanted to. Got this awesome like island bar top situation. You could eat dinner, and then a pretty spacious living room area. So there's a great desk, which if you're like me, you're working on the go. TV and little sitting area. So this is a 2-bedroom suite, ocean view, which is also, it's not just ocean view, but there is actually a balcony, which is amazing. So really nice seating area, and the balcony overlooks this gorgeous lawn, that gorgeous pool. You can see the mountains up in the back there, across to other parts of the resort. And then this property is not on the ocean, I don't believe. But that is a killer. I mean, that's the most amazing ocean view. So, I mean, what could be better? And then move in, and this particular 2-bedroom suite has a king bedroom and a queen. So this awesome queen bedroom, again with TV, and there's a closet in there with some extra bedding, nightstands. So this is super comfy and amazing queen bedroom. And then there's this awesome bathroom right here. This thing looks brand new, which is really nice. So you can see all that toilet and all the things. And then we come across, here's bedroom number 2, which is a king bed, a little more spacious. Great view. You'll get that ocean view out the window as well. I don't have the curtains open, but TV, closet, and then this one has an ensuite bath, which is really nice. So you can come in. There is not a tub in this one. It does just have the shower stall, but that is totally fine. You do have the tub option in the other bathroom, so your whole party would have a tub if you had like kiddos that needed it. But it is kind of nice to have the shower stall option. And here, a toilet. And this bathroom is really, really huge. So single sink, but that is more than a double vanity. So plenty enough room for everybody to get ready. So there you have it. This is the 2-bedroom suite, 1 king bedroom, 1 queen bedroom, living room, and full kitchen. I mean, that is a full kitchen. It's got everything you need. So really incredible room. We got a great points rate, and it is really close to the beach and all the things that you would like to do. So definitely recommend this one.